forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
Hello. I welcome you all to Solstar. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. And the full moon lunar eclipse happened. It was amazing. I don't know what all you experienced, but for me, it was just beautiful, right? So, those who've been asking me that how should they address me, how should they write my name, you can write my name as Shivi or Noor, whatever way you wanna call me, you can. And I'm going to do your reading right now. Maybe सारी information is in the description box, guys. If you haven't seen, please do give us a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon so that you know when the next reading is uploaded, right? So, I'm here to do your current energies or the person you're thinking about. It's really about the divine masculine, whoever is the one, right? Keep that in mind. So, his current feelings, really, how are they? So, you know what I was really tapping into with the ones who are with the journey, on the journey, and I kind of, so those I am resonating with, जिनके साथ ये reading resonate करती है, do give us a like and subscribe, guys. And also, as I said, that the one that I am tapping into, the tribe that I am tapping into, my soul tribe, for them, there was this amazing song, Brian Adams, which was buzzing in my head since early morning. It was "Please Forgive Me." Please forgive me. I need not know what to do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Baby, something like that. So let's see what are the energies, that are talking. What do we need to see from the tarot? How this would be cleared. And then, if needed, I'm going to pull out Power of Love. Say, I'm going to pull out a card for you, an inspiration, so that you can see forward, whichever way the reading goes, right? So right now he's very hung up, the masculine. So I don't tap into genders, okay? Keep that in mind. Only the energies and reversals nahi karte hain. So he's very hung up right now, and the masculine is so hung up that he wants to, but something is holding him back, okay? So it's about, babe, believe me, I need not know what to do. I can't stop loving you. Something like that. That's what is playing. I see strong air energy. Let's see what comes around with the tarot. Take it the way it resonates, guys, okay? The way it comes to you. Michael Gabriel, show the messages for the ones watching it, those who are on the twin flame soulmate journey, or even those who are resonating. Universe में कोई clock नहीं होता, right? So whenever the reading resonates with you, there's a message in this reading for you. So this lunar eclipse full moon was about big transformations, right? It was about changes. It was about those inevitable things that had to happen, because anything which was not serving you would have been rubbed away, right? Or would have been brought to surface, which was under the carpet. So let's see. Okay, आपके लिए tarot message. They're asking me to shuffle, so I'm just doing it. Okay, keep that in mind. And he's feeling very heavy. His heart is very heavy. My deck is extremely heavy right now. Feels very heavy. Show me the messages, Michael Blueberry. What do we need to see for the soul tribe? What do we need to see for the soul tribe? And there are wonderful people who are commenting. Thank you so much, guys. I haven't had the time to reply, but I'm going to reply you guys soon. So let's see with the tarot. What is the tarot advising? How is the DM feeling? How is the divine masculine feeling? What are the energies? Why is it like, please forgive me? Six of Pentacles. It's about something which was not in balance, right? So something, maybe it was about giving and receiving equal love. That was not happening. वो नहीं हो रहा था. So the advice is that let's just do it so that we can experience all that is worthy. With the Nine of Pentacles, I think both of you or either of you, whoever is watching, cross watchers, please take it the way it resonates. Okay, आपकी story है to take it. If not, do not fix it. So it's about you being very abundant, confident, happy-go-lucky, knowing your value, trusting yourself more now. So with the Six of Pentacles, it's about more like reflecting. So I see a Cancer, I see, as I said, strong air energy. I see a Gemini, I see a Libra, I see Leo, Sag, I see a Taurus in the game, in the mix, okay, a Scorpio as well, as I see. So it's about balancing it. It's about cause and effect. It's about what you're mirroring, right? So now you're saying that I am in that space or zone where, I am going to take what I deserve. I will not be taking any of the bullshit. Because you want the Ten of Pentacles. You really want the Ten of Pentacles. You don't want to be sucked up or sucked out, with the energy of lack, because that's not what you want. You desire all the good things, like a good house, maybe somebody has children with them. It could be about a relationship that you're already in, or someone has kids, uh, outside their this relationship, this engagement. You could have that either way, right? So take it the way it's resonating to you. So just know that you want the Ten of Pentacles. So with the Nine of Pentacles, you're showing it very clearly that, no more breadcrumbing, nothing at all. Because see, I cannot make this shit up. The guides are like on point with the Ace of Pentacles, with the Nine of Pentacles here, and the Ace here. It is about that pentacle that you're saying that you want it all. I want to put it like that. I want it all, so that when this comes around, it's all complete. I don't need anything else. Although the world could be an option for you, and there could be many options available to you, because what I see here is that somebody is wearing a long dress. Somebody's got blunt hair, short hair, shoulder cut hair, and very very erotic kind of look the person has. The woman, the feminine energy has. The man is like very grounded. The man is very much into the fields right now. The woman is like all out and choppy, and in her own vibe, like she knows her worth. She truly knows her worth. She does know her worth big time. She's confident. She is not dependent in regard to her emotions or her wellness. She's very comfortable in her zone, and that's what she's saying. That as I said, I received a feather today in the morning as a message as well. So divine sends you messages in various ways. I think the divine feminine is getting those messages. Even the masculine could get messages. So just be aware of the numbers, the letters, the signs and things that are playing around you. So be careful, because something is going to shine really bright in your life with the sun at the bottom. Let's see. With the Ten of Pentacles, that's what the divine is saying. The divine masculine, that is his feeling per se for the divine feminine, that I really want it all with you. I so want it all with you. As I said, take it the way it resonates. If you're a divine feminine and you're having the feeling for the masculine, you can take it like that. अगर आप masculine है तो आप उस energy से feminine को देख सकते हैं. But you want it all. You don't want the bullshit anymore. You don't want like Seven of Pentacles. Okay, we'll work together. We'll make it happen. वो नहीं चाहिए. Because they really love you. Whoever is watching this, they really love you. There's a lot of love in the relationship. But they're stuck right now. They're swindling. Here and there, up and down. वो उनका चल रहा है. Because उनको वो last जो pentacle है ना, वो लाना is quite a task. With the Two of Pentacles, maybe the divine feminine is really thinking that whether should I give this a chance, should I give it again. Maybe the divine masculine has come forward and said certain things, but she's not sure. With the Queen of Swords energy, it's like she's not sure. She'll say that whatever it is, I'm going to say my truth. जो मुझे लगेगा मैं वो बहुत honesty से, ईमानदारी से कहूँगी, because I will not settle for anything less, and I want it all. Divine feminine is very clear that she wants it all, but she's not sure about the divine masculine, because the divine masculine is of the opinion that yes, we're going to have it all. We need to strike that balance. But with the Two of Pentacles, he doesn't know whether the divine feminine is going to accept it or not. Okay, so that's the kind of vibe that I get, that he's into feels, he's feeling a lot. But I'm going to just clarify the Two of Pentacles in the energy, because that I have to. Let's see. So seeking forgiveness from you, telling you that they made a mistake in the past, could be for some is coming around, right? Someone is telling you that. Be ready for it in days to come, or whenever you watch this. Someone is really coming around. So this could have happened to you. This can happen to you because it works like prediction also, right? So take it the way it's coming to you. They're asking me to shuffle, I'm doing. They're asking me 2 more. Uncle, show me the messages. Blueberry, what do we need to see for the one in so much of feels? What do we need to see? Show me the messages. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So they want to start this with you. They really want to start with you. Okay? This is what they want. That's the clarifier that came out. And imagine, I'm doing the shuffling in front of you. 10 of Pentacles. Twice Ace and twice 10 of Cups as well. 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. So this is big. This is a very big, strong, vivid relationship जिसको आप इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते हैं, because अगर आप करेंगे तो of course there would be trouble, right? I have the 9 of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck for one. Then we have the King of Wands that came out. Okay, so this is his energy. Passionate, strong, suave, charismatic, has it all, does it all, and that's what they're saying, that he is looking for the little inspiration, just little inspiration, a sign from your side, the feminine side, that please tell me, because you are my emotional wellness. With you I see my Ace, my 10 of Pentacles getting completed, right? And you are very confident. The feminine, she's very confident. She's like in the 9 of Pentacles stage. With the Hierophant here, it is about that this is a very heightened and a very strong connection. Okay, this is something which is maybe accepted and seen in the light by both of you, that you guys have this very strong bond with each other that you can't break. But with the 7 of Wands, there's this resistance which is just stopping it all. Why is it stopping it all? Because I think you are in that state where you're saying, I'm okay with me, I'm abundant, I'm confident, I'm pretty. I think both of you are like very attractive. Both of you are very confident about your energies. Both of you have a lot of choices around you. Okay, and the whole idea here is that the masculine energy is trying to come and tell you that we're good with 9-9. So it's about stepping up, I think. Now what I sense post the clarifiers and there's Lovers. I mean, what do you want? Really, come to think of it, imagine it's all clarified, completely clarified. With the 10 of Cups and the 6 of Pentacles, it's like balance coming in. It's like, let's give each other that kind of wellness. उस तरह की harmony हमें देना चाहिए, right? With the 9 of Pentacles, you offering the Ace of Pentacles yet again is like, okay, I want those 10 of Pentacles with you. So you got the 10 of Cups and the 10 of Pentacles, right? And then the King of Wands, okay, that comes with the 2 of Pentacles. And what did we have underneath? And the Queen of Swords. Okay, so with the King of Wands and the Queen of Swords, the energy is very simple, that I would only offer you love, passionate enough, purposeful enough, and I know you would say it all as it is. जैसे truth है वैसा ही आप भी हो सकते हैं, the other person, right? Because you know this is a very spiritual or heightened connection, and you've been in the relationship for a while, for some that I see. That little resistance is from the feminine energy that I sense, but that's what, you know, today the hashtag BDW, the daily guidance was that, you know, you are definitely complete within you, but you should be open and willing to receive love. And you should be able to identify who is offering you that love and with what energy that person is coming around. So with the lovers here, that is what it's advising you, that there's a lot of love in this equation. There's a lot of love, guys. So I feel whoever this energy is, whoever is this energy, they are in sheer love, and there is a bigger mission that you guys have to complete, which is, I feel it's a soulmate twin flame kind of vibe. And these are the current energies that are, you know, prevalent, and this is what they're thinking about you. This is really what they're thinking about you right now. Take it the way it resonates, and if the reading resonates, do give us a like and subscribe. And I shall see you the next time. घंटी जरूर दबाइए, like and subscribe कीजिएगा. And stay safe, stay home. ध्यान रहे कि आप ध्यान रखें, because times are very tough right now. But this too shall pass. Okay, I'll see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye.